Well, we've just pulled in here to Wallaby Rocks. It's out near Sofala, and we're just going to look for a spot to camp for the night. This is a free camp just on the Hill End Road, not far out of Sofala, maybe about 10 minutes. So that's obviously why it's called Wallaby Rocks. So yeah, we're going to have a look around, find somewhere to set up. Check out this spot we found on the Turon River. So this is us for the weekend. We've just set up. Now we're going to chill out, definitely going for a swim, and definitely going to have a cold beer. What we do for a quick and easy shower is just use this little kick-ass lithium battery operated shower thing. Just drop this in the bucket and there's your shower. And what we done earlier when we got here, straight away we got a big black bucket of cold water out of the river, and we've left that in the sun. It's actually quite warm now, so that's all we've got to do is just drop this in and shower time. having a quiet morning this morning next to the fire, and later on I'm going to cook up some scones and maybe a damper. Got a few other guys rocking up today, so. Alright, cooking up some damper this afternoon. Yeah, 3 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of powdered milk, half a cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. And we're adding 1.5 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of margarine. Got the camp oven preheating there.
How long do you bake it for?
Depends how hot the camp oven is. I think we normally do 20 minutes. I'll do scones after this. That's good, huh? Got the rest of the crew rocked up. Check out, we'll have to check out the van later. Reckon Batman will give me a walkthrough? Yeah. This rig made it in here. Yeah. Damper's coming out. Look at that. Let's put the scones in. Steve and Rita from Unpro Adventures are making their way in this afternoon. Gee, I hope Rita's brought some of her kebabs. Look at these. What do we got, mate? Look at these kebabs.
Chicken, mushroom, onion, halloumi, capsicum.
Oh.
The Rita's special.
It's a Rita special.
Yeah. And then over here we got, what are these? Chicken wings, drummy things?
Yeah, honey soy chicken.
Oh yeah, honey soy, yeah. They smell good. On charcoal as well, eh?
Yeah.
Got here, mate.
Pork ribs. I haven't done them like this before, but we'll see how it goes. Bit of bullseye.
Nothing like hitting the hole, mate.
That's just for me. I don't know what Tash is eating.
She said coleslaw. Yeah. Should be good, mate.
See ya.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Definitely fighting an uphill battle.
Okay guys, that's a wrap for the weekend. Great weekend out at Wallaby Rocks Campground near Sofala. Some pretty awesome weather, and I don't know, I just swam heaps that weekend. It was good. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Nice package, mate.
It's blue.
Oh, righto, you're right now.
It's going blue. Oh, that is clear.
Is that the real reason instead of the? Is that the real reason Tash seen in the shower that time, Chad?
Just scale. Yeah.